I still feel the warm touch of my skin. The fire ignites but burns out again. Your kiss is a promise, so tender, so sweet, but it fades like the smoke, incomplete. I lie here waiting as you step away, chasing a habit that steals you each day. In the middle of love, you're drawn to the flame, and I'm left in the shadows calling your name. Oh, the smoke between us, it clouds the air. A love so deep, yet it's unfair. I can't compete with the fire you crave. Each kiss a goodbye as love misbehaves. I've tried to ignore it, tried to pretend that your love could linger, that it wouldn't end. But your hands grow cold, your heart feels far, as you light another beneath the stars. I'm losing myself bit by bit, caught in the haze where you always quit. Our love deserves more than moments so brief, yet I'm left with the ashes of hope and grief. Oh, the smoke between us, it clouds the air. A love so deep, yet it's unfair. I can't compete with the fire you crave. Each kiss a goodbye as love misbehaves. I wish I could hold you without the divide, but your addiction takes you outside, and I'm left alone with the hollow ache, knowing this love is more than I can take. Oh, the smoke between us, it clouds the air. A love so deep, yet it's unfair. I can't compete with the fire you crave. Each kiss a goodbye as love misbehaves. So tonight I'll leave, though it breaks my heart. I love you forever, though the world's apart. But I can't keep waiting in this endless fight, as the smoke takes you away each night.